Ni ute fwambo duond buche kaachiel kod jochung' kombe siasa mopogore opogore biro bedo to kod thuolo mar riwo kwano ombulu e yiero mabiro. Jakom duol mar Iebc Wafula Chebukati wacho ni koro mana lando duoko ema ok bi yienegi joma kamago mondo landi, to ibiro ti kod duokogo ma ibiro landi to kod duol mar Iebc. Koloso diani e bonge mag Mombasa gocha kod jotelo mag ute mag fwambo, Chebukati bende koro nomedo ni chik oyiene mana jotelo kata apisas mag Iebc kende ma bende koro duoko ginyalo lando, ka jomoko to nyalo mana riwo mekgi to ok ginyal koro lando ayanga.
Elections are at the polling station. Each polling station has a maximum of 700 voters. They'll be counted, those who will vote. The results will be tabulated, and for presidential elections we have Form 34A, which after results have been tabulated, the form is signed by the presiding officer and the agents of the candidates. A copy of that result is pasted on the door of the polling station. A copy is given to the agent each, and we are saying the agents and the candidates, they also need to tally their own results. The media should also tally the results. We shall have a media platform where the forms, when they're transmitted, will be collected, and those on the ground, then you can have access to those results. So let everybody have the results, and we are not limiting the media only. Even the candidates will have copies. So together